Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn about Tmux. So Tmux is terminal multiplexer. You can split the screen into multiple different screens, and each screen will perform its own operations, and which will not disturb the others. So for that, we first install the Tmux in the terminal. I'm using WSL, in which Ubuntu is used as a OS. You can use whatever you want, and for that we will use the command sudo apt get install tmux, and after that, if the tmux is not installed in your device, then it will get installed. And you can see my keystrokes right below but I'm pressing. So tmux has a lot of shortcut keys, so you have to memorize a lot of them. Okay, so first of all, the basic command is tmux. This will create a new session, and as you can see, this is a bash session with id 0. Now you can create multiple screens. So this is the window basically, and you can create multiple split screens in between. So for that, the command is control b and percentage sign. So after that, the screen gets split into two parts vertically. Now if you want to get a horizontal split, you can use control B and then use the apostrophe, and after that you can get this half splitted. Now if you want to navigate between all these, first of all, what you can do, like, you can execute ls here. Now you can go to the other terminal, and you can call other task, like you can specify different function at each of the screens, and they will perform it. Okay, now if you want to navigate among these screens, so you have to use the control B and then the arrow keys um, in which screen you want to go. Here the green portion is in this screen, so we are in this, we are controlling this terminal. Like if I press exit and or q, now stop is stopped, and you can execute another command. So you can do this, like control B and then right click, and I am in this session. Now control B and then up, now I'm in this session. Oh sorry, screen sessions are different thing. So you can manipulate however you want. Now if you think this is a single window, like it has a id 0, and you want another window where you want to specify different type of screen, so you can do that by pressing Ctrl B and C. Now this is a new window, and its name is 1, it's id 1, and as here is a star mark, that means we are currently in this. If you want to change your window, now you have to just press Ctrl B and then the number of the window you want to go, like control B, and I want to go to 0 window. So you can see I am now in control 0th window, and you can see the star marked here. Okay, so good. Now it's quite easy, I think. Now we will, what if you want to get a specific name to this and name to this, so that you can know what window you specified for the what. So for that, we will use the command, shortcut control B and then comma. So control B and comma helps us to rename. Like I want to use this for my basic, like for git purposes, so I name this window as my git. And now if I control B and then I want to go to window 1, and now if I want to name it to, like docker, sorry, docker. Now each window has its name, git and docker, which will help you to explore what window you are working on. Okay, now this is the window, but Tmux comes with a very important feature which is known as sessions. So sessions are like activities which we done in a any window. Like in this session is 0, and I created two windows. Now this session will be recorded somewhere, so that when we come across another time, we get reloaded to the same type of interface. So if you want to know what I'm saying, so you have to just use the command exit when you want to exit the Tmux terminal, exit, and here you have to use multiple times. But if you don't want to do this, you can simply detach, and the shortcut for that is control B and D. Now control B and D, you will get this basic starting point. Now you can list all your Tmux sessions, Tmux ls, and as you know, we have created one window. Like I closed that, so that's why it's showing one windows, else it will show two windows. Now if you want to open this session, 0th session. So you have to use the command tmux. um, okay, when you want to get to the session which you want, like I want to go 0th as I only have one session, so you can use the command tmux attach minus t means target of the session, and minus t and then the session number, like here it's 0. Oh sorry. And now you can see we get back to where the session we ended. Okay, this might be very handy if you want, and control B and D to detach the session. Okay, so now you can list all the session by using tmux ls. Now if you want to name it something else, like it's one windows which not very helpful to us, so we will use the command tmux rename and session, and after that minus t 0 and wait. And now if we use tmux ls, now it's not 0, it's get. And now if you want to open this session, you have to type tm attach minus t. Wait. Now it might be helpful. Control B and D is very useful. And I will try to link all the commands, basic commands which will get you started in tmux below in a document. So thanks for watching.